Okay, so we are going to see how to use this veterinary software, which is based on Odoo. As you can see, this is the main screen, the database for the veterinary software, and there are various modules installed in this software. So you can see it's a modular application whereby different features of the software are integrated as modules into the um, main application as a whole. So this is the main application. We'll go into this and we'll see all those features one by one. So initially we'll see how do we first create the pets and pet owners within this application. So you can see pet owners are displayed here who have been created beforehand, and we can, if we want to create a new pet owner, we can directly go and create one. Now there are two options. They can either be created as an individual or a company. So we can just type in the name of the pet owner. For example, a new pet owner can be created, and we can type in other details regarding this pet owner. For example, the address, the email, and we can add a picture for this pet owner as well if required. And here you can see there are two smart buttons related to this pet owner, which indicates how many veterinary procedures have been performed on the pets owned by this owner, by this person, and the amount invoiced related to those procedures. And below here you can see the various tabs. If we go into that, you can see we can add the pet records. We click on this add button, you see we can add all these details regarding the pet, the type, the breed, the color, all those things, the gender, date of birth and all. So these are the details that can be added related to the pet owned by this owner, by this person. And there are some other miscellaneous information that is related to this owner. So we will see how we create the pet separately and then link up to this owner. So we just save these details and go into pets. Here are some pet records created in the system. We create a new one. We just type in the name of the pet, let's say, and say the pet type is dog. We can say the type, the breed of the pet, German Shepherd, color, and gender, and if a particular doctor in our clinic takes care of this pet, we can put in the name of that doctor over here. So then we put the status of if this pet is neutered or not, and here we link up to the pet owner related to this pet. I believe that we haven't saved that record, so we can just type in here or assign any other record. We can say to John Smith, which is also an owner created beforehand, and we specify the date of birth for the pet. So this calendar pops out, you can put in the dates, put in any date, and the department to which this pet has been assigned for to the doctor, any tags related to this pet, any other information you can put in there. Now again, down below you can see all the tabs related to this pet. We can populate this information related to this particular pet. And on the top, these are known as smart buttons. So this indicates what other information is related to this particular pet, like what treatments have been done, any other appointments that have been set for this pet, evaluations carried out for this pet, any prescriptions issued for the pet, and all other things related to diagnostic procedures, vaccination, and all are available here. So we just save this information, and we see the name of the pet and the owner to which this pet has been assigned. So we go back to the pet owners, and we click the name of the owner here, and once you click on this pet, you will see that the information is related to this particular pet for this owner. So this owner owns 2 pets, those are added here, and if any picture for the pet is uploaded, that will be displayed over here. So this is how we create the basic pet information and relate it to the owner. Now if you go into configuration, you will see all the pet types and breeds and colors are defined beforehand. For example, we have these pet types defined beforehand. You can create some more types, and similarly pet breeds are also displayed over here, and you can see how many breeds are there, like you can group them by type and breeds, and then pet colors you can add more. So all this is customizable. This is configured through this option. So this was all about the pet details, how we can add it in the system, and then how we can add it to a particular owner. And similarly, when we go to the owners, we can add more details to an owner, like mobile number, email, and other information, which can be later on used to search that owner when the owner visits our clinic again. So in the next video, we'll see how we can create more processes or procedures related to these pets.